In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert new PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer so we can start inside the app. We'll begin by loading the PDF you want to edit. In the upper left, click the menu and choose Open. Navigate to your file in the window that appears, select it, and click Open again. Your document will load in the main workspace. Now we're going to switch to the Page Management tools. On the right-hand side, look for the icon that shows two overlapping sheets of paper. This is the Organize Pages tool, and it's designed for adding, deleting, and rearranging pages. Click that icon to open the Page Thumbnails view, where you can see all your pages at a glance. Next, find the three dots, which indicate More Options, and click them to expand the menu. From that menu, choose Insert Pages. This tells Acrobat you're ready to add new pages to your PDF. A prompt will ask where the new pages should come from. Pick the source that matches what you need. Choose Blank Page if you want an empty page to type on or annotate. Choose from File if you're inserting pages from another PDF or compatible document you've saved on your computer. Choose from Scanner if you're adding pages by scanning a physical document right now. You may also see options like from Clipboard if you've copied a page image. Select the option that fits your workflow. After choosing the source, enter how many pages you want to insert. If you're adding blank pages, type the exact number you need. If you're importing from a file and the dialog allows it, you can specify how many pages to bring in. Otherwise, Acrobat will use the selection you make in the file picker. Confirm your choices and Acrobat will add the pages to your document. You'll see the new pages appear among the thumbnails in the Organize Pages view. That's your visual confirmation that the insertion worked. You can continue reviewing your document from here. If you don't immediately see the two-page icon in the right pane in future projects, look for Organize Pages in the Tools area. It opens the same controls. Also, if a file is protected and won't let you modify pages, check its permissions or ask for an editable version. That's it. You've successfully added new pages to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat using the Open command, the Organize Pages panel, the More Options menu, and the Insert Pages prompt. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.